So today we're going to go through the care and cleaning products in terms of wipe down for the treatment center. We have a couple of different types of products. We have what's called a neutral detergent. So this product here is the clean wipes. The indication for a neutral detergent is all surfaces. So essentially the very first thing you would do in a wipe down scenario is wipe all of the surfaces from dirty to clean, using an S-wipe motion with a neutral detergent. So the only neutral detergent that's approved in Australia, New Zealand for Dead Supply Sorona equipment is the clean wipes, which is also the IC100. So if you wanted to make up your own solution, there's two different options. You can use the pre-packaged wipes, or you can use the larger 5-liter bottle. You can pour that into an existing container of dry wipes and make up your own wipes yourself. So there's two different ways you can do that. So IC100 or the clean wipes, which are pre-soaked wipes. Once you've wiped down your entire chair, if you have any blood or protein splatter in certain areas, you can go over that with a disinfectant product. So we have two types of disinfectant products. We've got the DUR FD366. So the DUR products and the Alpro products come in either the refillable larger liter container or the refill of the pre-soaked wipe or the actual dispenser. So all of those will do the same thing. With the Plasticept Eco, this is a special medical grade class 2B product that's actually able to do both the neutral detergent and the disinfectant step in one. So if you're using the DUR FD366, you need to do a 2-wipe step process. So in the shape of an S, utilizing first the neutral detergent and then coming back over with a disinfectant. If you're using the Plasticept Eco, what you're going to do is you're going to just take a single wipe and you're going to wipe once again from dirty to clean in that S shape. So just across the equipment very gently. Now you can see here, if there's a little bit of excess moisture, that will generally dry off. However, in certain critical areas, that will also need to be dry wiped with a microfiber cloth or a standard dry wipe. So some very common areas that we can see this would be on the light crown. So the plastics on the light crown are very sensitive to wiping. And generally speaking, because we wouldn't see any protein splatter or blood in those areas, we would only use the neutral detergent. We wouldn't need to go in specifically with a disinfectant. Now, if you did happen to have blood splatter on the light and you did need to use a disinfectant, we would definitely want to dry wipe after to prevent any cracking of this sensitive plastic. The other area that's a little bit more prone to wear is on the instrument hoses themselves, so either the instrument or the suction hoses. A couple of things you can do to maintain the life of your suction hose. When you're wiping one of your instrument or suction hoses, don't wipe down. You'll want to wipe from bottom up to protect this connection here between the instrument and the hose itself. Okay, so once again, if you're using the Plasticept Eco, you can do that as a 2-step. So one as the clean and then the different side as the disinfect. All right, so essentially you're still just using the one wipe twice because it's acting as both the neutral detergent and the disinfectant. If you're cleaning upholstery, we would generally recommend that there shouldn't be any reason usually to use a disinfectant on upholstery. Upholstery can generally be cleaned just with the neutral detergent, okay? If you find that you have got blood or protein splatter on your upholstery, only use the disinfectant on that area that has some specific protein splatter. If you want to spruce up your upholstery, let's say that you have a beautiful color like this lovely pink, we do also have a separate product line called FD360. And what this is from DUR, and it will help really spruce up your upholstery and make it look quite beautiful. Now that's not really acting as a proper neutral detergent or disinfectant, so you'll still need to go in first with those steps. And you can finish it with the FD360 just to give it a spruce up, especially if you have the lighter color upholsteries. A lot of these greens or light blues, they'll really pop up the color if you wipe those with the FD360 after. So once again, we've got the 3 products: your neutral detergent, which is your Clean Wipes or IC100, your FD366, which is a disinfectant, or alternatively the 2-in-1 product, Plasticept Eco, which acts as an intermediary, both a neutral detergent and a disinfectant 2-in-1. Thank you.